In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set page ownership in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hand off responsibility for a page to the right teammate, what permissions are required, and a few important limitations to keep in mind so you avoid common hiccups. First, open the Confluence page whose ownership you want to change. Under the page title, look for the byline where you see the current owner's name or avatar. Click that name or avatar to open the ownership menu. Choose Change Owner. In the picker, search for the person you want to make the new owner. Select them from the results, and then confirm by clicking Change Owner. That's the whole action, quick and clean. A couple of key notes here. The person you're transferring ownership to must already have edit access to the page and access to the space. If they don't, the change won't go through. Also, the new owner will automatically receive a notification about the transfer, and that notification can't be turned off. So make sure the timing is right and let them know it's coming. By the way, if you need Confluence or want to sign in quickly, I've placed the official link right at the top of the description. Use that to access the web version. Keep in mind, ownership can't be transferred from the Confluence mobile app, so do this from a desktop browser. Who can initiate this change? The current page owner can, and so can space administrators and site administrators. If you don't see the option to change the owner in the byline, you likely don't have the required permissions, or you're not the current owner. In that case, reach out to a space admin to help. If you need to handle many pages at once, space administrators can use the content manager to change ownership in bulk. This is ideal during team transitions, reorganizations, or handovers, and it keeps everything consistent without editing each page one by one. Now, if you can't change the owner for any reason, you still have a solid fallback. Manage user access through page restrictions. With restrictions, you can control who can view or edit the page, which is often enough to keep work moving, while ownership details get sorted out behind the scenes. To recap, open the page, click the owner's name or avatar in the byline, choose Change Owner, find the new owner, and confirm. Check permissions, use the web app, and remember that notifications are automatic. Thanks for watching.